Hi, this is Sandeep, and now I'm going to represent my presentation about the topic study and analysis of routing protocols for Vanets. And the subject is 5500, and my student ID is 303888693. Here I am going to just describe my topic of presentation. Here I go with the first slide. This is about the introduction of my topic. The introduction is what is Vanets? Vanets is a vehicular ad hoc network consists of group of moving or stationary vehicles connected by a wireless network. The main use of Vanets was to provide safety and comfort to drivers in vehicular environments. You can see the diagram on the right side of my picture. But these Vanets performance are totally dependent on the routing algorithm. They follows the transmission of the data packets. Now here the problem arises that which algorithm should be followed. I will show you the diagram. Yep, there. There you can see the networks like blue line networks are vehicle to roadside communication. The orange line is vehicle to base station communication, and the red ones is vehicle to vehicle communications. You can easily understand the architecture of Vanets from this diagram. Here you go on the next slide. This is about the background of Vanets. Many reports have been published by WHO, that is called World Health Organization, on the increasing roadside accidents due to increasing populations, heavy traffic congestions, violation of the traffic rules, carelessness of drivers, and lack of street information. As there is a need for an intelligent transportation and traffic management facility for the reduction of these problems. Vanets are the smart technology that can be helpful in the solving these traffic problems across the globe. The next slide is about the research questions and problems about the Vanets. Vanets performance is totally dependent on the routing algorithm they are using. So here the problem arises that which routing algorithm is useful and which algorithm should be followed by us according to the architecture or structure, and which gives the best performance with less and no failures. Like, we have to hope for best. If we're using some of the algorithms, then we have to focus on the profitable area, right? uh, the next one is research purpose and methodology. Sorry. The purpose of this research was to understand the relation and the analysis of routing protocols for Vanets, and how these routing protocols makes the Vanets technology efficient and reliable. I have used qualitative research design for the assurance of the research credibility. All the data used in this research proposal is collected from latest literature review articles from Google Scholar and IEEE, so that I have all the latest information and design of the Vanets. You can see the types of Vanet routing algorithms, and this shows the algorithms which are used for the benefit and profit. Next one is the summary and conclusion of the literature review. I have reviewed many research papers based on Vanets to understand the importance and working of its routing protocols. From the study of the Vanets, I have come to the conclusion that the performance of Vanets depends upon some network parameters, that is packet delivery ratio, packet delivery rate, overhead packets, drop rate, etc. And these parameters are dependent on the routing protocol being used in the Vanet environment. The conclusion is continues on the next slide, so you can continue with me. And the next one is no routing algorithm is best in every scenario. So the selection of the Vanets routing algorithm is based on where it is going to be used. All the papers that I have gone through during the writing of my project proposal was based on these Vanet routing protocols, comparing different protocols at different scenarios, timeframes, and network parameters for the identification of the best routing algorithm in that particular scenario. The next slide shows the different references from where I get my material. So thank you. If you have any questions, just please tell me. Thank you. Have a nice day.